Hello everybody, here I'm gonna unbox my new camera. That's Sony Alpha 380. Ooh, there's a cool box here. You can see it's written over here, Sony Alpha 380 here. Alright, let's see what's there in the box. Come on. Alright, let's see. Okay, what's yeah, these are the manuals. You can see all that stuff you might have seen already. With all the cameras, you got the same stuff. What is there? Yeah, what there's a guide for accessories. This is the CD for the software. Let's see what's there in the box. Yeah, come on. This should be the camera body, yeah? Let's see. Yeah. Let's see, come on. Yeah, here we go. Yeah, you can see. Wow, looking pretty cool, yeah? Alpha 3D, you can see on the top, on both corners. That's a live view. Alright, so we will see it later. What else there? Let's see. This is the camera lens here. Should be 18 to 55 mm. It should be written over here somewhere. Yeah, it's over here. I don't know whether you can see or not. Anyways, what else is there? There's a strap for the camera, a power cable for the charger, USB cable, battery for the camera. What else is there? Let's let me see. Come on, what is there? There's a charger and there's a cover for the viewfinder. I think, I don't know exactly what's that. Whatever. I think that's all in the box. You can see. I'm just gonna lay it over here. You can see it properly. What's there in the box? Okay. Yeah, that's the camera body and the lens. That's all. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. Bye.